my peeps. It's Sock 9000 and Poison Hearts 8952. And this is our sound effects.
Alright, by the way,
By Lizard Slime.
lizard slime. Alright, here's the slime.
It's
It's,
grimy.
if you have imagination, you can only wonder what this sound is. And, oh. Oh, God, that's not supposed to happen. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but yeah.
Oh.
Oh, that's nasty. Also, ready?
It's not gonna work.
I know. That's the thing. Oh.
Vomit.
You want to make somebody puking?
Or do you just want to make somebody puke? 'Cause it works both ways.
No, if you want to make somebody puke, go, hey, eat this!
Ew. No, I have a better one. Let me see it.
Do it.
I have gonorrhea.
Okay.
Look at my gonorrhea.
Don't, dude. Ah!
It feels good.
Oh, I just screamed. I'm not supposed to scream. Shh. Yeah.
I need to find the ones that got stuck under my ass.
Oh, God.
You made it break more.
Well, at least you have to put it back in the bottle. Alright, ready?
On the floor. Well, I guess it wasn't stuck in my ass. Alright. So.
It was like an explosive fart.
So those were our sound effects. Have a good day. Peace out from the sock and the poison. The poison sock is.